So you heard about Nowsite's Creative Pro new service and you want to know more about it. I'm going to tell you. Let's go. Hey, how you doing? It's Kawan Money Mayo, successful online entrepreneur, six-figure earner, top affiliate in multiple companies. And man, look, Nowsite just keep getting better and better. You know, I've been here, going on 5 years now. And as you can see, there's no sign of slowing down at all. I mean, look at where we've come in just such a short amount of time. I mean, the 5 years that we've been there, we started off with little beacons, little beacons transmit, put in flower pot, you can pop on people's phones, now to all-in-one marketing platform powered by artificial intelligence. And now they just announced that we're coming out with AI 2.0. Now with AI 2.0 is now the artificial intelligence is going to take all the data they've accumulated throughout this time that Nowsite has had them in place. And now what it's going to do is you can actually, this is so awesome. You can actually hire, or it won't even be hired. You just put in a place like you say, hey, you know what? I need a copywriter, right? So say goodbye to writer's block, as you see right here, because now you have AI powered content and then it's optimized by Nowsite professionals. How cool is that? So how does that work? What does that even mean? Let me tell you. So let's say you're stuck and you want to do an email campaign, right? And it's going to go out for the next week. But what do you start? What do you write? Like, I don't know, right? Well, basically, you can hire now. You can put out, you'll say, hey, I'm looking for an email campaign for my business. So let's say I'm in 7K medals. So let's say you want an email campaign for 7K medals. Now, within 24 hours, okay, the AI is going to give you an email based off of what based off of your niche, based off of, what it knows of all the information that is taken in throughout these years from us marketers. And then a professional is going to go and optimize it. So then a professional person from Nowsite is going to look at what, the AI came up with and then, make it so that it's perfect when it goes out. And let me tell you, I'm going to do another video demonstrating the actual results of what they've used and what they've done. But let me say right now, it's short of phenomenal. Okay, it is awesome. And now you can use this for your email campaigns. You can use it for your blog. Imagine now you have a professional. First, the AI is giving you professional content to push to your blog. And then a professional copywriter is going over it to make sure it's perfect before it's delivered to you and delivered to you within 24 hours. So now you don't even have to come up with content. You don't have to sit there thinking and wondering and researching on what you're going to say and do. Nope, they'll do it for you. Social media. Oh my God. How many times have you been stumped on what you should actually post that's going to actually get you engagement, that's going to get a good reaction, it's going to make people laugh, that's going to make people feel some type of way that makes them want to follow you or maybe want to look at your business or what you have to offer? Now you can. SMS texting. Yep. So we got SMS campaigns on our platform. So now you can have the bot pick out the perfect SMS campaign, perfect ledger for you to be able to spit out to your people. And then last but not least, ads. So imagine now a professional copywriter putting together an ad along with the AI that you can use to get you results. All this for $19 a month, okay? Which is really a $60 a month service as long as you get it before April 30th. So anybody that's coming in for the early bird special, and get in is going to be able to get in for $19 a month. So you can register now because the price will increase in May 1st. All right. So, man, is this huge? Is this huge? Like, okay. Like, honestly, right? This is big. So be ready. May 1st that you can expect to use the service. You want to be put on the list and just let me know and we'll get you in for $19.90 for the $19 a month and get you locked in, okay, for this service because it's going to be awesome. Think about it. Nowsite has took the step in the right direction on all levels. First, they came out with the Nowsite Nerds. What was that? Well, that was a bunch of Nowsite professionals that go out and basically do what you need for them on demand. Like, I need you to build me a website. They'll build you a website. I need you to build me a funnel. Build you a funnel. I need a new capture page. They build you a capture page. Those are Nowsite Nerds, and you can hire them for 30 minutes, 60 minutes, or at a time. Now you got Nowsite Creative Pro, which basically is you're gonna have copywriters that's going to come out and give you the perfect content. So now that you had the nerves, build out your site, build out your capture page, build out your landing page. Now you can have a copywriter give you the perfect content to put on those pages. So how cool is that, right? Man. So, man, that's all I got for you today. Straight to the point. But I'm going to be giving you more because I'm going to be showing you just how great these emails that are and the content that they actually put out. So I'm going to film, I'm going to do another video of just that when they come back with it. So I already signed up. This is early bird. So I signed up on this form. What I'll do is I'll put this form in the description along with, the sign up. So if you want to get signed up with Nowsite, you already know it's getmoneylikeaboss.com. And then we'll get you going. If you want to actually test drive this service right here, you want to be one of the first beta testers before we go live on May 1st, then you can go to creativepro.now.site. Again, it'll be in the description, all right? Or if you got questions, I'm the top earner in the company, been for going on 5 years. All right, nobody makes more than me. No one has a bigger downline than me. So if you want to talk to the top person in the company, then give me a call, 619-306-9453. I'd love to answer any questions you have. All right. If you haven't already done so, smash the subscribe button and hit the bell. That way you get notified when I do videos as well. I can't wait to see you on my next video. Appreciate you guys for watching. Till then, have a blessed day.